Some states are taking away physical mail completely, and families don't realize what that destroys. Across the country, states are shifting to a new system for inmate mail. No originals, no handwritten letters, no drawings from your children. Just scanned copies delivered through a tablet or printed on a cheap piece of paper. They call it security. They call it contraband. They say it keeps facilities safe, but here's the truth. Mail privatization is a business, not a safety measure. Private companies now charge for scans, charge for photos, charge for storage, charge for printing, and every step of that process makes someone money. Get it? You catching on? Well, meanwhile, families lose the one thing that kept them human: touch. A handwritten letter, a birthday card, a drawing from your child, a prayer written in ink, a picture that still smells like home. Those things heal people inside. They ground them. They remind them why they're fighting to come home. A scanned copy? It can't do that. And when states remove physical mail, they're not preventing drugs, because drugs don't come in letters. They come in through staff, contractors, and the same broken systems that still operate untouched. If you know, you know. But families pay the price. I've watched inmates spiral because their mail was delayed for weeks or lost in a third-party processing center. I've seen people punished because scanned mail was misread, misclassified, or flagged by automated systems that don't understand context. I've seen entire family connections weakened because a digital scan doesn't carry the same emotion. And inmates react differently when they feel forgotten. You know what? Inside, one emotional shift changes everything. Tone on a monitored call, behavior toward officers, interactions with others, and even their classification notes. Attorneys don't prepare families for this. They don't explain communication risks. They don't walk you through the cascading consequences that start with something as simple as your real mail is no longer allowed. Mail is more than communication. It's stability, connection, affection, and it's humanity. And states taking that away while claiming it's quote-unquote safety, it's punishment disguised as policy. If your state is moving to digital-only mail and you want to protect your communication, your loved one's safety, and their mental stability, well, visit prison101consulting.com. Remember, I'm not a criminal attorney. I'm a prison consultant. Thank you for the follows, for the likes. If you have a comment, please comment below. I'll try to get back to you. Love and light.